Okay, so I've made the coolest discovery. I have these cushions that I put on the back, on my outdoor furniture, and right now I don't have a covering for them, so they get rain and all of that, and they get mildew and turn green and black and all that ugly stuff. This is what they look like. They're supposed to look like that, but they look like this. Okay, so I've tried putting these in the washer with like OxyClean, Color Safe bleach, things like that, and because the covers come off and it doesn't seem to work. So I was like, all right, well, what I'll do is I'll get some bleach, and I'll spray them down, and then I'll get a pressure washer and I'll spray them down. Okay, so in the meantime, I went to Lowe's and I found this stuff, Tilex Pro Results Mold and Mildew Stain Remover, and I thought, heck, I'll try that. I'll just spray it on there, and then I'll take the pressure washer and I'll, spray it down, see what happens. Y'all, I sprayed that junk on one of the pillows, and then I was like, I'll let it sit while I take 2 bales of pine straw to the backyard. Well, when I came back and looked at the cushion, everything had completely disappeared. Completely new. Looked brand new. Looked like this. Exactly like that. From that to that. What the heck? And I didn't scrub, no nothing. So right now, I'm gonna let you watch me clean one because it's so fun, and let you see exactly what it does. All I didn't even take the pressure washer to it. All I did was spray it, let it sit for a minute or 2, and then got the hose, my janked up hose, and just sprayed off the soap. Gone, completely magic. Your little sprayer thing here. So we're gonna spray this. Okay, so basically spraying it down. Actually, I gave it about 4 or 5 minutes because I was spraying down the other one. So there you go. Best stuff ever. I think I'm gonna use it on everything. So it definitely has bleach in it because you can smell it when you spray it. But like I said, I tried bleach in the washing machine. Of course, I'm not the smartest person when it comes to bleach, but obviously, because you can see that I have bleached my driveway. Anyway, it doesn't only have bleach in it. Whatever else it has in it is what is working. So, but it does smell heavily of bleach. So a face mask might not be a bad idea. So watch when I clean this one. So I even tried this on my patio table that has, I guess it's granite, I don't know. It has turned completely black.